Did you ever wanted to learn the piano but didn't have the time? Or did you have a burning desire to play but you don't know where to start? Hi there, my name is Ilya Rahovsky. I'm a pianist and a music teacher. I have taught thousands of students just like you to be able to play the piano. This course will not only teach you how to play the piano, but it will also show you top playing secrets how to play piano at a professional level. This piano course is designed perfectly for both beginners and advanced players. After this course, you will be able to play like this. So what are you waiting for? Sign up and let's start your piano learning experience today.